Hi everyone, back to doing a bit of exploring around alleyways and shops again. Stickers here for your laptop or your car or anything really. 140 euro, 345. Quite a rather good bargain that, guys. Got quiet up the sort of alley today compared to town, of course. Hope everyone's okay as well. Sadly, one of our moderator team, Jo, she sadly broke her ankle. So, Jo, if you are watching this, I wish you a very quick recovery. Hopefully you can get back on your feet soon. Stay safe, Jo, and continue watching the videos. Down by the museum at Benidorm, just there. Gonna head back into town now. So yeah, back in centre of the town now. Just lift you up a bit there, show you how busy it is. Slowly getting back to that normality we all love. And the good news is as well, hopefully soon we'll be kissing goodbye to the mask. But not really saying goodbye to it, just scrapping it to going up bars, restaurants, supermarkets, all that. But you'll still need it to not go on public transportation, go in hospitals, go in care homes, etc. Nice jewellery shop here. Just having a look for ID bracelets. Oh, that a key ring there. Huh. Got some nice man stuff in there. Then of course the candy shop as well. And back to a absolutely busy Benidorm town. Quite crazy how busy it is actually. Compared to like only a few weeks ago actually, when it was absolutely pelting it down, town was quiet, almost everyone who was out in town had like big coats on, ponchos on, umbrellas. Amazing how a bit of sun can brighten anyone's day up, really. Always actually said that anyone who's in Benidorm on holiday at the moment, or anyone who lives here, if you're feeling down, the best bet is just go for a walk down on the beach, or maybe just find a nice quiet bench down there. Go sit down there for a couple of minutes with a book or something. And you'll forget everything that you're upset about within an instant, guys. Just nice and relaxing. Even if you do it in the middle of the night, guys, no one's gonna care. No one will bother you. Benidorm is a funny enough place. Yeah, I admit we do have our problems, but I mean, you still can be safe, can't you, Mum? Coming back down into town now. Think I'll maybe finishes by the Plaza the Triangular. Just gonna say around a minute up the top is a few shops, including the Amazon return shop, which last time I filmed that I did tell you guys to stay away from it. Then of course, right there you do of course have the beautiful Hotel Madeira Centro. So, I think it's time for a challenge, guys. So, with my 21st birthday coming up this June, I'm wanting it to be big, I'm wanting it to be mental, like I want it to be crazy. So, you know, sod it, let's say it. If all you beautiful guys out there who watch the channel can help me get to 3,000 subscribers on YouTube for my birthday, which is the 6th of June, I'll be amazed. So, That's 3,000 subscribers before the 6th of June, guys. I know we can do it. I know every one of you out there loves me, so share it with your friends. Tell your friends to subscribe. Tell your postman to subscribe. Go for a meal and tell the waiter or waitress to subscribe. Anyway, guys, finishing in Plaza de Triangular. Let's get this challenge underway. Let's get me to 3,000 subscribers. Hit the like. Hit subscribe if you haven't already done so. Share my channel as well to as many people as you possibly can. Thanks for the support, guys. Love you all. See you in the next one.